Welcome back to Cruising America. Today we're hiking to Grotto Falls in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth-wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. This is a great hike, definitely worth your time, even with the obstacles. While the falls are not big, you can walk behind them. Plus, it's a great place to picnic for lunch or dip your feet on a hot day. The obstacles are a parking decal from the national park and getting to the trailhead at dark 30. But the falls are worth the challenges. This trail is just outside Gatlinburg and is very popular. You will see plenty of people on the trail, even early in the day. This is a great trail for kids. They'll actually be entertained, especially at the falls. It's rated moderate for grade and terrain because it gets somewhat technical here and there. In other words, I would rate this trail hard for ambulatory access. If your legs are compromised in any way, you would incur significant risk hiking this trail. Access this hike via the Trillium Gap trailhead about halfway around the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail, past the Rainbow Falls trailhead. There is ample shade throughout the hike, several small streams, and during the right time of the year, wildflowers and magnolia blooms. There are also plenty of flying critters, so come prepared. The hike to the falls is classic Smoky Mountains. However, you might see animal prints that look kind of like deer, but bigger and pointed. Or you might see scat that looks like deer, but bigger. What you're seeing is llama track and scat. The park vendors use llamas to haul supplies to a cabin near the top of the mountain. The best times to visit this trail are April through November. You'll need to leave the pups at home. Dogs aren't allowed on this trail. Consider carrying bear spray on this or any Great Smoky Mountain National Park hike. The Gatlinburg area has an average of 2 black bears per square mile. While black bears aren't normally aggressive, you never know if your encounter puts you between mama and cub or a sick or trapped bear. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below, then click the bell to receive an instant message each time we publish more videos.